everyone, welcome to Joy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe, Vazhakkai Fry. It's nothing but raw banana fry. Let's quickly get started to the recipe. For this Vazhakkai recipe, let me tell you the ingredients. So we would need 2 raw bananas. I have made it into cubes, cut them into cubes. We will need few curry leaves, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, oil to fry, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is coriander powder, half a teaspoon, fennel powder, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Let's get started. I've kept the flame on high. Now I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. You may need more oil as we cook, and allow the oil to get heated. The oil is heated. Now I'm going to keep the flame on medium. First I'm going to add curry leaves. Then the onions. You need to have this onion fried really well until it turns golden brown. I'm going to add a little salt, a pinch, and the ginger garlic paste, which is 1 teaspoon. Give it a nice mix and let the onions cook until it turns golden brown. Cooking for a while. Let me check. I think it's good enough. Now time to add the dry powders. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, two teaspoons of chili powder. If you feel it is spicy, you can adjust accordingly. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, one teaspoon of fennel powder. Give it a nice mix, and I need to add the cumin powder. This is half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So it's completely dry, so I'm going to add a little water, just a dash of water, and let the masala cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to close it with the lid. Keep the flame on medium. This was cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. So if you look at the masala, the oil has come out from the gravy, which means it's the right time to add the vegetable. It's nicely cooked. I'm going to add the raw banana. I've taken 2 raw banana and chopped them into cubes. Give it a nice mix, and you may have to add a little more of oil. Whenever you cook raw banana, it takes a lot of consumption of oil. So we need to add another 2 teaspoons of oil and the remaining salt which is required for this Vazhakkai Valval. Add a little more of salt. Give it a nice mix. Cook it on a medium flame for about 10 minutes. This has been cooking for about 10 minutes on medium. Look at this, it's all done. The vegetable has reduced in size and it has absorbed all the oil and it's become really dry. So, I'm gonna turn off the stove. Going to transfer it to the serving bowl. And garnish it with curry leaves. That's it. So the Vazhakkai Valval is all done. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. It's a very simple recipe, you can try it at home. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not, please do subscribe. Share your likes and comments with us. Happy cooking.